Hi everyone, my name is Giuliano. In this video I'll show you how you can use in preview the new application called Tasks in Microsoft Teams. But before to jump in, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss my next videos. Microsoft is releasing this new application called Tasks. This application brings you a unified view of tasks coming from To-Do and Planner. Planner will be renamed in Tasks, so then this will be an evolution of the actual Planner application. It's already available in one of my tenants, so I'll show you every new functionality and how you can stay on top of your tasks. Okay, let's check it out together. Here I am in Microsoft Teams. I am in the Office 365 Education tenant because Tasks it's already available here. How I can open this new application? So first off, let me say that we have the old name here. In fact, if I click on the ellipsis icon, we still have visible Planner as application for tasks. So then the name is old, but in the next days we will see the name changing in favor of tasks. So if you don't see Planner here, you can search on the search text box and then this application will show up. Once you click on it, you will see this new view if tasks is available for you as well. We have this banner here that told me that tasks coming from To-Do and Planner are here, but the name, as I said, it's old. We have still Planner, and this will change very soon in Tasks, as you can read from this banner. Here you can also jump on the link coming by Microsoft where you can read more information about this new application. Okay, let's start with an overview of this page. So on the left side I have the navigation here and I have my to-do tasks here in this section. Below we have Planner, so every plan is listed in this section. Then I have here the ability to create new list in To-Do or new plan in Planner. In the middle, I have tasks, of course. I can see also from these icons if these are scheduled in terms of due date or there is an attachment, for example, or maybe we have an high priority. So then we have on top of this list, we have the filters and the ability to group tasks. Okay, now let's go through every item on this navigation panel. Okay, the first one is tasks, and this is the simple view to display to-do tasks. In fact, jumping on to-do, I will see the same tasks that we have seen in Microsoft Teams tasks. I have these 3 tasks in to-do, and we have the same situation here. So then I can select important here, then I can have a look which one is marked as important or urgent. In planned view, all tasks are in these lists, so we have every tasks aggregated here. I can see tasks coming from To-Do and Planner. From this plan, for example, class workload, and sharing is caring. So I can see this one that is in progress. There is a file attached, and then we can see that there is also a checklist available. So on a quick glance, you see immediately the content inside the task. Clicking now on these tasks, this panel show up and I can here modify the task. I can change the title, priority, due date, notes, and checklists. Now, closing the to-do task, I can open a task in Planner, for example, simple present. So this is a very familiar panel coming from Planner, and here I can change every content related to these tasks. I can modify checklist, add attachment, add comments, and so on. I can use also the labels here. So this is the very common panel available in Planner as well. Instead of opening the task in the panel, I can select the task and then I can use this command bar to change the status, to change the priority, the due date, and then I can even delete this task. Same action I can perform here on the ellipsis icon. I can change progress, status, the priority, the due date. I can move the task in another bucket and I can delete it. Moving forward now on the left navigation pane, we can see also the view of all tasks assigned to me. And then we have here the section dedicated to Planner. So I have here two teams, class 1A and educators. I have a plan here called class workload, and for educators team I have two plans, courses and sharing is caring. Now clicking on class workload, we have this new list view of tasks. What I can do now here in this part of the navigation, I can switch from a view to another. I have the list view as default, but I can also have the classic board view, which is available in Planner. So then I can also have a charts view with all tasks on the right, and on the left I have status, bucket, priority and members. Finally, I have this nice view, calendar view, where I can see in the future how is my schedule, how many tasks I have. I have here, for example, +2 more. Clicking on it, this opens a little panel with my tasks inside for this day. Then I have all buckets here on the right. I can also change the view per week. I can group this view per bucket, per assigned to, progress, due date, labels and priority. I can even filter this view. Now I want to create a new list in To-Do application, and I want to create a new plan in Planner as well. So how I can do that? You have to click on this plus button at the bottom, and then you have to type in here presentations, for example. Then you have to target To Do if you want to have this new list available in the To Do application, then My Tasks, and finally Create. So this will create a new list under To Do. Switching now on To Do, we can see that this new list is here available. It's time to create now a new plan in Planner. Clicking always on the plus button, I can type in, for example, training. I want to have a plan with this name. Then I can select in which team I want to install this plan. Let's say educators. Then you have to target which channel, general. And finally, by clicking on create, this will add this new plan training under the team educators. In fact, jumping in teams here, all teams, we can see that in educator we have a new tab with this planner in. As you can imagine, this increased the productivity by working in one single tool to rule all tasks in To Do and Planner. Something that is missing is the ability to display flagged email. I want to clarify better this point. If I jump in To Do, I have the ability here to display which email I flagged. So this is very useful if you want to reply to an email, so you don't lose the focus by importing here the email under flagged email. Unfortunately, this feature is not available for the moment, but I am pretty sure that this will come in the future. Lastly, I can create easily new tasks in To Do. For example, in the list presentation, I can create new tasks here. I can also open the panel if I need to add more content. And the same thing in Planner. So I can click on it and then I can add here a new task. Clicking on return, the task is created. I can select the bucket, I can reopen the panel, and I can change the content here related to this task. Okay, that was a quick tutorial how you can use tasks in Microsoft Teams. If you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned with my next videos. If you want to see me cover any other topics in the future, put a comment down below, I read them all, and this is also how I build my to-do list for my next videos. I hope to see you next time. Bye.